Hello mates, this is the Unemployed Geek, and welcome back to my channel. The topic I'm going to discuss today, it will be an extended part of my previous video on web scraping, where I have covered how we could find out the tags, class, and URLs containing the image in the HTML page, how to get the HTML content from the website, how to get the URLs from the HTML content, and how to scale the images found from the URLs by resizing, and how we could save them locally. But there was a problem that we cannot scroll down to the page and get more images. So today we will see how we can scroll down the web page and then we will scrape more images from that website. As you can see on my screen, first it took time to scroll down, then it started downloading one by one. Basically, I have used Selenium for this, as it automates the web browser, and I'm going to use scroll functionality from the driver. So for that we will be needing some prerequisites which can be installed by pip install. So first is Selenium, second is request, third is BeautifulSoup, and fourth is WebDriver Manager. So now have a look on the image here. Selenium library is communicating with the browser driver via JSON wire protocol. So it's basically a lightweight format to exchange data between HTTP client and HTTP server by sending and receiving the response as a JSON format. And our browser driver automatically communicates with the browsers. So this is the rough fundamentals of this Selenium. So let's dive into the code part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify my previous code as per the Selenium requirements. So let's do it, and let me install the prerequisite. So here I'm done with installing Selenium, and let's import the necessary libraries. So let's import the necessary libraries. Here we will not going to use this get HTML function because this will be handled by the web driver automatically. So I am removing this thing. Now I'm going to set up my web driver. So here I'm going to use Chrome browser. That is why I need to set up my driver according to Chrome driver. Let's set up that thing. So by doing this, I have initialized my driver. So once we are done with the driver setup, then we just need to change this fetch URL function. So once we will be done with that, then we will be good to go. So by doing this, we are fetching the URL content inside the driver object. So by this particular line, I am using the scrolling functionality of Selenium WebDriver. So by doing this, I am putting page content inside the HTML variable. Now let's put this HTML content inside the soup object. That means if it is 0, means if it not got any object with tag A and class IUSC, then it will be break. So this is how I have changed my fetch image URL function, and now let's change in the main function as well. We have to initialize our driver as well. Set up. So that's it. Let's run the code and let's check how it is performing. So now as you can see, it is scrolling down and getting the images. Okay. Okay, so I had made this mistake here, so let's run it again. So as you can see, it is scrolling the web page automatically, and now it started downloading. So that's it for today. So if you find this thing informative, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.